dark. I don't see my suitcase anywhere. Everyone else has already picked up their bags.
Are you sure? Maybe it's still on the belt. Let's wait another minute.
No, I've been watching carefully. It's definitely not here. What should I do now?
Don't panic. Let's go to the Lost and Found desk and talk to the staff.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, I think my suitcase is missing. It was supposed to arrive on flight BA 238 from London, but it didn't show up.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you please describe your luggage?
Sure. It's a medium-sized black suitcase with a red ribbon on the handle.
And there's also a name tag with her full name and phone number.
Thank you. Let me check our system. Yes, it seems your luggage was delayed and is still in London.
Oh no! I really need it. I have important documents and clothes inside.
Don't worry, we'll deliver it to your hotel within the next 24 hours. In the meantime, you can fill out this property irregularity report.
All right, thank you. I just hope it arrives soon.
Look on the bright side, Lisa. You've got a good reason to go shopping tomorrow.
True, but I'd rather have my own clothes back.
Great job! Now it's your turn. Imagine you're at the airport and your luggage is lost. Try repeating these sentences after me.
Excuse me, I can't find my suitcase. It was supposed to arrive on this flight.
Could you please check the lost luggage desk for me? It's a large blue bag with wheels and a silver lock. Will you deliver it to my hotel once you find it? Pause the podcast here if you need more time and practice saying the lines and for this new vocabulary with confidence.
Suitcase.
A case with a handle used for carrying clothes when traveling.
Baggage claim.
The area in an airport where passengers collect their luggage.
Lost and Found desk.
The office where lost items are reported and kept.
Property irregularity report. PIR.
A form you fill out when luggage is missing.
Deliver.
To bring something to someone's address.
Missing luggage.
When your suitcase is lost.
Claim compensation.
Ask for money back if your luggage is lost.
Travel insurance.
Protection against problems during travel.
Fill out a form.
Complete a form by writing information.
Check-in. Luggage.
Hand over your suitcase before the flight.
Pick up. Luggage.
Collect your suitcase after landing.
Great job today! You practiced a real-life situation. What to say when your luggage is lost at the airport. We learned useful words like suitcase, baggage claim, property irregularity report. Collocations such as missing luggage and travel insurance. Phrasal verbs like fill out, check in, pick up. Remember, traveling is unpredictable, but your English can help you stay calm and confident in any situation. Now it's your turn. Have you ever lost something important while traveling? Share your story in the comments and try to use one of today's words or phrases. Thanks for listening to Listen to English Podcast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode. See you in the next one.